So this is a user guide for the Influencers tool on MarketLine Advantage. You access the Influencers tool via the databases and go down to Influencers here. The Influencers tool tracks influential individuals within different industries, including up-and-coming industries within the global world. So if, for example, if we go on to one of the new up-and-coming industries that we track, so here we have the Disruptive Tech Influencers platform. So here we have the Disruptive Tech Influence Network, which tracks influential people's social media activity. So we have the top 100 influencers. So your users can go into there, look at their social media and look at the different articles that they're sharing on social media. So your users can read them and get in the same sort of mindset as these influential people within this up and coming industry. We also have the trend analytics. So this showcases different trends within these up and coming industries. So your users can look at things such as artificial intelligence, fintech, digital marketing, and it will show what people are sharing and talking about on their certain social media platforms. We also have the influencers analytics, which is showcasing what the different individual influencers are sharing and speaking about on social media. So here we have the network tab, which is showing all the connections of the networks of different trends, the different keywords of the influential people within this industry, so you can see which people are speaking about the similar things. The last thing I'll go on to is the methodology tab. So the last thing here is the methodology. So the influencer tool is based upon two main stages of influencer identification, followed by analysis of the topics and level of influencers of this group. And that includes determining keywords, identification of individuals, and then selecting the top 100 influencers.